When done right, the strategy I'm about to share with you increases revenue for most local businesses by 25% in 1 year. Customer retention is totally something that you need to be focused on as a local business owner or someone who manages a small local business. Now, before I share with you the exact strategy that we use, the program we use to increase revenues by 25%, it's really important that you understand the 3 foundational elements to a customer retention strategy. A lot of times what I'll see people do is a local business owner will see something that somebody is doing and they'll copy that. Now, that's great. There's nothing wrong with that, except for the fact they don't take the time to reverse engineer and figure out why is that working. At In-Transit Studios, we call this the principle behind the practice. It's super important that you understand exactly why something's working and what are all the other things the person is doing, that business is doing, to make that work. Now, when it comes to customer retention strategies, there's all kinds of ways to do this, but you gotta make sure that you've got 3 foundational things covered to ensure that you have ultimate success. So let's go ahead and look at what those are as we explore our customer retention strategy. All right, so number 1 is expectations. With expectations, there are 2 specific things you've got to do. 1, you have to set clear expectations in your marketing and advertising. If you're using stock pictures of food that is not the food you actually cook for your restaurant, or if you're putting up pictures of haircuts that actually none of your stylists can pull off, you're setting expectations that aren't going to be met. And disappointment comes when expectations don't meet up with reality. So it's really important for customer satisfaction, which leads to customer retention and customers coming back to you and bringing other people and becoming raving fans about you. It's really important that you're setting clear expectations. Then the second part is you have to meet or exceed those expectations during the purchase experience. So as people are coming into your shop, into your business, as you're going out to, take your service or business to them, you have to make sure that you're meeting or exceeding the expectations that you've set in your marketing. Now, the second thing that's part of any great customer retention strategy is collecting the contact information. You have to collect relevant contact information and store it in a way that's easy to access. And then the third and the final part of this is you want to automate your follow-up. Spending time following up with customers significantly cuts into profit margins. So it's really important to leverage the phenomenal tools that are out there today that automates this, and it doesn't come across as salesy or weird or anything like that. People are used to this kind of stuff, and it's definitely something you need to be leveraging for your business. Now, what is it that we recommend doing to get a 25% increase in revenue? And how are we confident saying that number for most businesses? Well, the National Restaurant Association did a study and found that for restaurants that employ this next thing I'm about to write down here, when they employ this system as part of their customer retention strategy, they see revenue increase by 25%. We've seen similar things with other businesses, barbers, dog walkers, spas, cafes. Like it's that there's all kinds of businesses this works for. Now, I will be honest and say this exact strategy probably not so great for financial planners, credit unions, maybe not even roofers or plumbers or tree services, things like that. We have other things that we recommend for that. But for the majority of local businesses, what we see work and what we help people build is a birthday club. There's two major benefits to a birthday club for you as a business owner. You want to see both of these. Number one is it simply increases your return rate. When somebody joins your birthday club, they're giving you permission to communicate with them throughout the year. You can send regular emails, weekly emails, monthly emails. You can send text messages. Like, they give you permission to contact them, so go ahead and contact them. This is one of the greatest ways to bring people back into your business. Now, the second thing it does is it actually attracts new customers. Now, you might be thinking, how can my birthday club attract a customer that's never been here before? Well, what you use, and most people don't even know you can do this, but you attract new customers with Facebook ads. Did you know that you can go in and run a Facebook ad and tell Facebook, hey, I want you to show this ad that says, join our birthday club to get XYZ, to get a free pizza, mani-pedi when you bring a friend, free mani-pedi when you bring a friend on your birthday, whatever the deal is that you come up with. Show this ad to people that live within this geographic region around my business, and only show it to people whose birthday is that month. Wow. This is phenomenally powerful, targeted marketing that you can put at a budget, honestly, for most people in most areas. $50 a month is going to really crush it here. If you're in a really large, dense, packed metropolitan area, you may have the opportunity, potential to spend $100 or $150 a month on a Facebook ad. But your list, your email list, your new customer list is going to grow significantly with this investment. Now, it's really important before you see something like this and go, oh, I'm going to launch a birthday club. And you got there to do it. There's several things you got to get right with this. You got to get your terms and conditions. You got to make sure that you're meeting all the legal requirements. And you also want to figure out how you're going to promote this, not just at Facebook ads, but QR codes and stuff like that. And what's the landing page look like when somebody scans a QR code? What happens right after they join the club? What is your deal going to be? In fact, the list goes on and on and on. And we want to help you with that. So if you just reach out to us and say, hey, I really would like that birthday club checklist, we've got a free checklist that we can give you that helps you go down through and set up your own birthday club. Well, that is what I wanted to share in this video, and I thank you very much for watching to this point. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell for future marketing videos. I'll see you in our next video.